Do you want to learn how to make money in the meme coin trenches? Because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the new meme coin trading strategy of 2025, because meme coin trading has completely changed since 2024. Really, a lot of coins are looking exactly like this one, where they make a strong initial move. They look like they could potentially be hitting multi-million-dollar market caps, but then we get this generational dump. Price instantly dumps back down to basically no liquidity. Then you're forced to sell out and absolutely get demolished in the meme coin market. So today's strategy is going to be showing you the new way to take advantage of meme coins. So let's jump straight into it. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. What I will be doing, beginning here on Dexscreener, and I'll show you some filters to be able to quickly, easily, every single day, find these top meme coins, and then we'll go into the analysis, because we'll actually be looking into more longer term coins that are already established, that have already had many months of narrative, of strong trading action, strong liquidity. And from there, rather than looking for a quick 1 Solana profit, we're going to be looking for a much larger profit for a longer swing trade. So let's jump straight into it right here. Begin on Dexscreener. We'll come over and actually use some filters. Firstly, just to simmer down and find these top trending meme coins. So we'll go down and put 7 million market cap as the minimum, instantly 100 million market cap. Right now, this is the sweet spot for meme coin trading, between the $5 to $100 million market cap, because as this bull run continues, especially for Solana and all these meme coins, what we will see is this sweet spot of meme coins have that 10, 50, even 100x potential. We don't want to be looking too low at these super low cap meme coins. As I said, a lot of them that are only just trending today look exactly like this chart. What we're looking for is more of a long-term chart that actually looks like this, and we can structure a trade over many days, potentially many weeks, and make thousands and thousands of percent. So I've put in my filters. I'll also want to select just Solana, Solana being the biggest blockchain for meme coins. Hit apply, come over to 24 hours, and then ensure you are trending by top volume. We only want to be looking at these top trending meme coins. So really they begin right down here. We want to be finding coins that have between that 5 to 100 million market cap, but also have a large amount of liquidity. Also coins that are many months old. We can see 3 months, 2 months, 8 months, 2 months. That would be fantastic. But even a coin like this, it's only 5 days old, 3 days old, 12 days old, doesn't have a strong enough narrative behind it. One of my favorite coins that I've actually found recently here is Labubu. It's actually one of the top trending coins in terms of volume. It's actually currently sitting at around a $25 million market cap. So it's at that perfect sweet spot for trading. Now, when we come over to the chart, we can instantly notice we have had a massive bull trend to the upside, and we're now forming a symmetrical triangle. The reason I really like this coin is we have a strong narrative. It's been around for more than 9 months. And overall, we can see that just lately, the overall trading volume in this last month has really began to pick up, showing that there's a lot of people actually looking to buy at these strong support levels, potentially setting up for a super strong bullish push. We actually have a symmetrical triangle here. Now, if you've studied symmetrical triangles, you would know that it's a very close to a 50-50 pattern. This one will be around a 55 to 60% pattern. Overall, we're coming to the last third of this triangle apex, and we're expecting a really strong breakout. Right now is even a great point to look for entries. We're coming down to this supportive structure, really close to where the stop needs to be. My stop currently needs to be at this $17.9 million market cap level, because that's the last swing for the beginning of the symmetrical triangle. And now what I'm doing with this trading setup is not just looking for a quick move from 100,000 market cap to 200,000 market cap. I'm looking for a strong swing trade on Labubu where we can hit more than $100 million market cap. Because when I use some trend-based fib extension tools, some technical analysis tools for meme coins, I'm actually coming down here, I use this trend-based fib extension to actually give me some numbers to the upside here. We've got a 1-to-1 at this 90 million mark. We also have the 0718 lining up at the back, old all-time high. We've also got some multiple 2618 at other market caps like 200 million, which is extremely common level for at least price to have a little bit of a rejection once we get there. So right now I'm actually setting up my trade with a very strong risk to reward because I'm actually very close to the overall stop right here. So I'd actually need to risk from current price around 35% on the trade. Whereas I'm actually looking for some really strong targets at around that 100 million, even 75 million. We can see it even 75 million back at the old all-time high. That's a strong 5-to-1 trade. Now, again, I'm not just looking to trade with one Solana on this trade. Let's say we actually get in with something like $1,000. Now we're looking at a much stronger position, even pushing it back up to this 100 million. That's an 8-to-1 risk to reward. Now, the goal of trading is to have a high probability play, continuously come to the market hundreds and hundreds of times, take these very consistent trades that have a very high trader's equation, a very positive trader's equation, because the overall probability being 50%, the high risk to reward ratio. Right here, this is the new strategy for trading meme coins. As I mentioned, a lot of them that are only just hitting the market. So the old strategy that we used to use back in 2023 and even 2024, when we used to use websites even before Axiom and look at these new pairs, Final Stretch, migrated, and basically be looking here and seeing all of the latest coins hitting the market. One of the best and most interesting statistics is given here by Axiom and actually shows us, look, out of nearly 37,000 created coins, only 400 have migrated. That's basically showing that 1% of all the coins created today actually migrated, hit more than a $80,000 market cap, migrated their liquidity over to Radium. So again, it's just showing that if only 1% of coins are making it above an $80,000 market cap, it's clear that the new trading strategy has shifted from all of the latest, newest, hottest coins hitting the market, has now changed over to coins with strong narratives, setting up with strong technicals. And again, rather than trading with a smaller trading size and be looking for trades potentially just 1 to 5 minutes in length, we're now looking for larger trading capital. And we're also looking to swing these trades over many days and even multiple weeks. So we can have multiple trading strategies running together. We can now be short-term trading meme coins. We can also be swing trading meme coins to take advantage of many aspects of the market. And if we continue on down the list, we can now see Chill Guy, another strong narrative coin, been around for many months. Again, actually setting up very differently to how Labubu was setting up. We're now beginning to shift in overall market structure. We're beginning to see lots more spikes in volume, but the main market structure change is here. We had this major low, and now we finally began this high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high structure, actually showing that now if we were to add the exponential moving average to the chart, we now have a positive slope. And actually, when I'm looking to trade a lot of these meme coins, where am I looking for entries? I'm always looking for entries back at the overall average price when we have a strong uptrend. So especially now that Solana has been announced, the ETF, we're getting a lot of strong news, and Chill Guy and all these meme coins being a derivative of Solana, it now gives us a much higher probability play to begin taking these trades, because we've seen the market structure trade change. Whereas before, you can see we were continuously making lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, The structure has now shifted. The market is now changing. The overall trading strategy has changed. But the thing is there's so many opportunities to still be taking advantage of. Right now, I'm still trading using TradeWiz and taking advantage of their fastest trading software. It's much faster than Axiom, and you can even trade on all these websites like Dexscreener directly. So if you have enjoyed today's video on how to be trading meme coins in 2025 and how the trading strategy has changed, make sure to smash the like and subscribe. Check out all the links in the video description. Leave a comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.